Hi there, welcome to this tutorial video for the ukulele play-alongs of Castaways, which can be found on the UkePlayAlongs channel. This song has been out on the UkePlayAlongs channel for some time. I've been going back and making tutorial videos and baritone resources for all the songs that I used to have just for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA resources. Now, this song was a song that my children saw as they were growing up on the Backyardigans. And one of the interesting things about the Backyardigans is that every episode featured a completely different musical style, and this is a bossa nova. We are not going to learn the specific bossa nova strum in this video. First of all, the tempo was a little fast for that, and second, you'll see, it's for a beginning player that will be playing along with these videos, or someone just playing along for fun. To get that strumming pattern exactly right is going to take away from the enjoyment of this song. So we'll get you close, but there are plenty of other videos out on YouTube showing how to play a bossa nova if you want to get it, but those generally have a slower tempo than what you're going to hear on this song. So in this video, first of all, I'll show you the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. There are a lot of them. Then I'll also do the same for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then we'll talk about what we can do for strumming if we're not going to do the actual bossa nova strum. Also, a bossa nova would actually generally be a picked rhythm rather than a strummed rhythm. So we're going to strum instead of pick for this video as well. If you want to support the work that I'm doing here on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two ukulele YouTube channels, the UkeStuff channel and the UkePlayAlongs channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff, or you can make a donation right here on YouTube. I will also mention that you can find other resources that I sell at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the many chords you need to know to play Castaways on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. We're going to start with the F major 7. Now this chord sounds hard, but it's really not. It's two fingers on the 5th fret on strings 4 and 3. Then an F sharp diminished 7. I put down two fingers first on the 4th and 2nd strings at the 2nd fret, and then the other two fingers go down on the 3rd and 1st strings at the 3rd fret. Then a G minor 7 chord. You bar strings 1 and 2, and then you put your thumb behind. To bar, you pull against the fretboard. You don't pinch, you pull. And then you add your 2nd finger to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then a C7 chord. Then a D minor 7, so you play the D minor chord, which is an F chord with an extra finger, and then your pinky lands on the 1st string, 3rd fret. A G7 chord. And then in this case, your ring finger is right in the right spot. So if you're going from the G7 to the C major 7, you can leave your ring finger there on the 1st string, 2nd fret, or you can play it with the 2nd finger. Then we're going to do a bar chord for the C minor 7. First finger is going to cover all 4 strings right above the middle 3rd fret. Then an F7 chord 4-finger version. You could play a 3-finger version and just leave the 1st string open. But I play the F chord and I put down 2 fingers. That works pretty well for me most of the time. Then a B flat major 7. It's like playing the normal B flat chord, but you don't have to make the bar chord. You just play strings 2, 3, and 4, starting at the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Then a B diminished 7. It's very similar to the F sharp diminished 7 that we played earlier, except it's up 1 fret or higher on the neck. So you put down fingers 1 and 2 on the 4th and 2nd strings at the 1st fret, and then fingers 2 and 3 drop on the 3rd and 1st strings at the 2nd fret. We've got an E7 chord. Your 1st finger is right in the right spot. Then fingers 2 and 3 drop down on strings 3 and 1 at the 2nd fret. Then we have an A minor 7, which means you don't press down any strings. And then a D7. You could play the full bar chord D7, but most people will play what we call a Hawaiian D7, and you play strings 4, and 2 at the 2nd fret. And those are the 14 chords you need to play Castaway on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. All right, on baritone, we're going to need the F major 7. It's like playing an F chord, but you don't have to do a bar. You just put your first finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and then the other 2 just cascade down. 2nd finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th string 3rd fret. Then an F sharp diminished 7, fingers 1 and 2 drop down on strings 4 and 2 at the 1st fret. And then finger 3 plays the 3rd string 2nd fret, and the pinky plays the 1st string 2nd fret. Then a G minor 7, 1st finger covers all 4 strings right above the middle 3rd fret. Pull against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some light support. Then a C7, so you play your C chord, and then you add 2 fingers. A D minor 7, you bar strings 1 and 2 right above the middle 1st fret. Pull against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some light support. Add the 2nd finger. Then a G7 chord. Then what I think is the hardest chord here, which is the C major 7. You got to play the C chord. But then you also have to play the 1st string 3rd fret and the 3rd string 4th fret. That's a little tricky. You may also just find it easier to bar the 5th fret, and then with your ring finger play the 1st string 7th fret. That would also work as well. Then a C minor 7. For this one, you would play a bar chord at the 1st fret. That's going to be the easiest way to do that. And then the ring finger would play the 3rd string 3rd fret, and the pinky would play the 1st string 3rd fret. You can try to do that as a 4-finger chord, but it's hard to get your fingers to stretch that way out. You could also play a bar chord at the 8th fret. Then an F7, bar the 1st fret. 2nd finger plays the 3rd string 2nd fret. Then a B flat major 7, bar the 3rd fret, and then the ring finger plays the 1st string 5th fret. Then a B diminished 7, fingers 1 and 2, play strings 3 and 1 at the 1st fret. E7, 1-finger chord. A minor 7, play the C chord, add an extra finger, add the pinky to the 1st string 3rd fret. And then a D7 chord. And those are the 14 chords you need to play Castaways on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, first and foremost, there was no ukulele used in the original recording here. It was guitar. So, that being said, there is no right answer when it comes to strumming because you cannot replicate what the guitar does on 4 strings. There are 3 rules that are related to strumming. First of all, make sure that you're playing the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo, whether you're playing by yourself or with a recording. And third, make sure that whatever you are strumming matches the style of the music. So if you were just playing down strums on each chord, that would probably be okay. You don't have to match it perfectly. Now, if you want to go and learn how to sort of approximate picking for a bossa nova, you can do that. If you want to go and learn how to do some more strumming with a bossa nova, you can do that. There are plenty of resources on YouTube. I'm just going to really suggest that you do the island strum here because it's a fast tempo and it's so fast you're going to lose sort of the island vibe to it and kick into the bossa nova vibe. And I'm just going to use the F major 7 here as an example of what you can do. So the tempo here is really fast. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So already, if you play just down strums, castaways, we are castaways. Okay, you've got that going on. What I would suggest doing here is the island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. But it's really fast. Castaways, we are castaways. Ahoy there, we are castaways. So you can see where that goes. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. It's going to work really good for the song. And with those chords and that fast island strum, that's all you need to do to be successful and sound sort of like a bossa nova on Castaways from the Backyardigans. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.